What is up, everyone? I am here. I'm going to be telling you how to screen share your iPad so that you can walk through different lessons and you can be able to do mini lessons on something as simple as your iPad. Now, I'm going to be talking about how to set things up, and we'll talk about just some few apps that you can possibly use. Now, setting up, we'll talk about where you can find it, and if it's not where it is, we can go into Control Center to enable it. All right, do you see that red icon at the top right where the battery percentage is and the airplane? You're going to swipe down on just the top right hand corner and these widgets will come up. You see all these? On the bottom row, you'll see a red icon that's flashing. That is your screen record button. Now, what you have to be careful of and not be hasty of is when you press it, it's just recording a screen. I'm going to hold down right now. 3, 2, 1, let's hold down. You have to enable the microphone to do a narration. So before you start recording, hold down this icon once again, hold it down, and this will pop up. Turn your microphone on because by default, it'll stay off. Okay, now, if that screen record widget is not there, you'll have to activate it. And by doing that, go to your home screen. I'm going to swipe down just to find my settings. So I find settings right there. You can type in settings or you find the icon, click on it. And on the right side, you'll find Control Center right after General. See that? Click on Customize Controls, and you'll see two different sets. One says Include at the top with red negative signs, and on the bottom says More Control with green positive signs. The red negative signs, or Include, have the icons already included as the widgets. So the screen record is there because screen record is on the top right there. If it is not here, it will most likely be in the More Controls area, so all you have to do is add it. Okay, and that's it. That's how you activate the screen recording. All right, now the beauty of having your own iPad is that you can download your own sets of apps. So for example, I've got my apps here, and if I was walking through a math lesson, I'd have a one hole right here. How many tenths are there in one hole? And then you can show them that it's 10 tenths. How many hundredths are there in 1/10? And you can show them that it's just like that too. And you can do it backwards as well, right? Just like that. 10 tenths is 1.0. Okay, that's one really quick one. If you're doing something simple like 10 frames, you can add your 10 frames block like that. I can add 5. I can do 6. What is 6 plus 2? And I can move them up here, and you can use 10 frames, and you'll be able to see that it's 8. You can also do algebra. By the way, a lot of them are by the Matthews app. They're free. They're great. You can do, here's my algebraic expression. That's 2x plus 3, just like that. And then you can have it with x, and you can also do negative -1. So I'll even write it down. 2x plus 3. I don't even know if this equals. Actually, it could. X minus 1, just like that. Okay, now say that you don't want to do any of this and you just want to write. I use an app called Notability, and it allows me to write and learn and play. It has really basic features like highlighting. Or if you don't have this app, which is really great, you can use the native app Notes. Okay, so you click on this app, and usually it's all on all iPads. You click on Notes, and on the bottom right, you can put your different writing tools. And Raoul was here. I can even erase that with a one stroke. And you can draw and do all that stuff. That's a highlighter, by the way. Okay, that's screen recording in a nutshell. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, but I encourage you to go back into this video and just rewind and try it out yourself. It's very easy. After that, you're finished recording, go back to your screen record button and just press it. And I will end it now in 3, 2, 1.